Shari and I do videos on makeup reviews and hauls. Today is yet another haul video. I have hauled few things from a recent Navratri sale, so I took the opportunity and grabbed something which was in my wish list for quite a long time. So if you want to know what all things I have hauled, then please keep on watching. Next in the haul is this Agaro Instant Color. This is a chopstick color. I did not have anything like this in my collection, and this was on good deal. Also, I had heard good reviews on this particular product. I have seen 15 to 20 videos, and then I decided that I will go for this. I checked on Amazon, it was out of stock. Then I checked on Flipkart, it was luckily in stock. So without any second thought, I purchased mine. The price details and everything I shall mention it on the screen for you guys. This is how the curler looks like. You have got a nice thin wand. This will give you a nice chopstick effect, and you get a settings, temperature setting over here. Then you get a nice wire. The length is pretty good enough, and it is quite sturdy and thick. Also, the rubber is of very good material. This will be a shock proof. Also, the swivel turns around 360 degrees, so you can anyhow place it while curling. So yes, I haven't tried it yet. I will soon try it and let you guys know how this performs. Next in the haul is a repurchase, and I love this product like anything. This has become my favorite current holy grail, and I cannot do without this product. Every time this product is out of stock, whenever I plan to buy it, but this time I luckily got it, and I am talking about Pond's Gel Base Moisturizer. This is an oil-free moisturizer. It says it suits all skin types, but I cannot speak for dry skin tone people because this is a gel kind of moisturizer. So once you apply this, it seeps into your skin instantly without leaving any oily feeling or sticky feeling like that. So if you're on a drier skin side, you will have to go for little thick kind of moisturizer. So yes, this is my second haul, and this is a repurchase as I mentioned you guys. Next on the haul is again a repurchase, and I am talking about my Pond's Micellar Water in the variant Brightening Rose. This is in the size 250 ml. This removes all kind of makeup, whether it is waterproof or anything. It does not leave any kind of oily feeling as it is 100% oil free, and also it is clinically proven and it suits all skin types. I have already done a review on this, so you can check the video right after this video. Don't forget to click the card that will play at the end of this video. Next on the haul, I have got few eye brushes, and this is from the brand MSQ. I got this from AliExpress. I did not order recently, but I placed my order before lockdown and COVID thing happened, but my order was stuck. But suddenly one day the postman arrived at my doorstep and he delivered it to me. I had lost all hope about this product. Even I forgot that I had placed some order for eye brushes. The quality is very nice. It is very smooth and soft. I don't know how this performs because I haven't used it yet. So I'll have to wash them first and then I will use them and let you guys know. And I think there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 brushes. So yes, there are 12 brushes all together. You get all your necessary eye brushes that is required to do your eye makeup. Next in the haul, I have got this beautiful oxidized necklace. I got it for rupees 199 from Amazon during Navratri sale, and it looks very beautiful, and this will look good with any Indian outfit. And yes, I totally love love this set a lot. Next haul product that I'm going to share with you guys, I am very excited for this because I was eyeing for this product for quite a long time. I am talking about my iMagic Professional 30 color eyeshadow palette. The packaging comes in complete white, so I know it will not show that much. It comes in a slide on cover like this, and once you open you get the details mentioned with the ingredient list, the expiry details and everything. You even get a plastic sheet on top of this. So these are the shades. I have used this palette and the review is on the way, so please keep your eyes open because I will be uploading the video anytime. The next haul is clothing haul, and I got 2 clothes and they were on my wish list for quite some time. It went out of stock, then it came in stock, then again it went out of stock, so this is how it happens with me. First is this floral printed maroon maxi dress from the brand Athena. I picked this from Myntra. I'm in the size medium. The fabric is polyester with a lining underneath that makes it look completely opaque. This has a tie-up neck detail with puffy sleeves with flounce hem. Style this dress with light jacket and trendy purse, perfect for date night. Then we have this off-shouldered embroidered navy blue dress from Fab Alley. I picked up from Amazon in the size M. The material is 100% polyester. You get a nice lining underneath. It has a zip closure at the side and belt to cinch your waist, and you can style this with nice footwear and some statement jewelry. And all the price details with their links, I will mention it on the description box for you guys. So if you want to buy something, then you can click on the link and purchase it. By this we come to the end of this video, and if you guys liked my today's video, then please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, don't forget to turn the bell notification button to stay updated for my future videos. And till then I will see you on my next one. Till then, bye, take care.